How to hide messages on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you wonderful tricks that you can apply in order to hide your messages from Samsung Galaxy phone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me out. Well, so not to hide any messages from a Samsung Galaxy phone, simply go and open up the message application, and once you're here inside your message application, simply go and select the message that you want to hide. So let's say I just want to hide the second message from the list. Now to do that, all you have to do is just need to press and hold that, and you just need to select that. And once it gets selected, at the top you'll get to see the archive button. You just need to go ahead and tap on these, and the message will be archived and hidden from the chat list. There is no direct way that you can hide any messages from the list. This is the only way that you can do that. And right after that, now to find out or unhide the message, you just need to go and tap on the profile icon at the top right, and from your profile you just need to go ahead and tap on the archive option. And once you do that, you'll get to see the message that you have recently archived. So now to unarchive, you can go ahead and select that as well, and go ahead and tap on the unarchive button at the very top, and once you do that, the message will be unhide. And this is the only way that you can apply in order to hide or unhide messages from a Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.